Government of Meghalaya, Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. Dated, Shillong, the 15th of October 2024. Advertisement. The Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, MSRLS, seeks applications from the citizens of Meghalaya for filling of various posts at the State Mission Management Unit, SMMU, and District Mission Management Unit, DMMU. The candidates will have to submit their online application using the link provided in the MSRLS website, http://marls.nic.in/ and the date for submission of the application is from 10 a.m. of K. the 16th of October 2024 up to 5 p.m. of the 25th of October 2024. The required qualification for the post and other related information also available at the above link under detailed advertisement and guidelines for application, and the candidates are advised to go through the terms and conditions of the recruitment process thoroughly and satisfy themselves of their eligibility before applying. The job requires extensive tours and night stays in remote rural areas of the state, so only such candidates who have the commitment to serve rural people and possess the requisite aptitude should apply. Local candidates will be given preference. The appointment to the following post is purely temporary and on a contractual basis, and no claim whatsoever can be made for any permanent position with the government or any organization under it. Name of post. 1. Young Professional Information and Technology. Number of post. No of post 1. Salary 26,000 per month. 2. Young Professional Communication. 1 post. Salary 26,000 per month. 3. Young Professional Food, Nutrition, Health, and Wash. 12 post. Salary 26,000 per month.